game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. We are actually doing a motor swap into here. We actually are doing an engine refresh. So we actually took out his motor. He wants to do a clutch job, but we just pulled everything out and we're gonna refresh everything, put on an engine stand, and we're gonna do the valve adjustment, the gaskets, any seal, basically what I did with my 6-speed. And you could all do that inside, but to be honest, it's so much easier just to pull it, because we got to fix out studs, we got to fix out a bunch of stuff that's messed up on here, and it's easier to do it off the car anyway. Plus now, if he wants to do his rack and pinion, he could do his rack and pinion if he wants to. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. As you've seen, I was messing around. I was putting the LS motor that we've been building here on the side. I don't know if you've seen it on the channel. We put in here the mock-up just for shits and giggles, so I'll put that clip in here. It's on my phone. All right, I forgot my GoPro, like I said, so we're getting ready. We're getting ready to put this LS motor in. I'll update you guys once it's in. All right, we don't want to. Oh yeah. So right here, we're on a. I forgot my GoPro, so I haven't recorded the beginning of it, but we did take out Eddie's motor right here. So Eddie's motor's out and everything. And then I told you guys wanted to see the LS build, but we got the LS motor in here now, so that's that.
First ever.
Don't ask me how I did it, cause you guys didn't help me. I'm just playing. But yeah, we got it here. First ever TL LS swapped.
Drift car. It's gonna be rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive drift car, you know. But anyway, so we actually got it in here, my uncle's car, finally. So we're gonna free up some space here and push this right back. We just gotta finalize just a few other things. But this is something that if you guys want me videotape, I'll record some of this. But if not, then we'll strictly stick to TL stuff. So yeah, so we pulled off apart. He actually had, I think it's the action clutch. I think that's the brand action clutch on here. So that's all that. So now we are gonna get to the point where we're gonna do the oil pan gaskets, mount on an engine stand, also do a valve adjustment, and a whole bunch of stuff we're doing for Eddie. So Eddie is a clean ass bag one. He bought my tail lights off of me, so look at that. Oof, that fitment. And he bought these from Kyle. Shout out to Kyle for making these. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated tonight when I come back and do more. I'm so bad at making videos. I've been so busy here. All right, so here's an update. We got Eddie's car pushed right here for now. Just make some room. We got, I think I showed this already, but we got my uncle's motor in here, freed up the stand. We got the engine on the stand. Rear main seal is done. He pressure washed the block as good as he can. Next we got to do is we have to remove the studs so we can put new studs in there. That's one of our next things to do. He painted his valve covers purple with the new seals and everything, got a valve adjustment, cleaned up his manifold a little bit, and he might paint his top plate next. So we're about on a hold off until we get the studs done. Once we get the studs done and the flywheel bolts, we'll be able to slap this back together and get it back in here and start getting that all situated. But yeah, so that's updated with that. Two's coming. I'll show you Two's. He's the one with the Ron John kit. We're doing a valve adjustment, so I'll see if I can get the camera and videotape the loudness of his ticking, and then we'll do it after to see if we can still hear it. Normally you have to redo the valve adjustment. You just hear the injectors. So yeah, so we're gonna do his valve adjustment right now. But here's Eddie, and I'll show you guys whoever comes over today. Looks clean. We're out here on rollers, so we can just push him around whenever we want. Straight in. You got 2 here. Off your hood? Don't shut it off yet. I just want to hear the noise and see if we can do it before and after. And you can kind of hear it. And we'll see if we can make that go away.
Nope.
You guys haven't seen
Wanna
me in a while.
do it? Because I'm gonna pull them off anyway, just to be easier. But if not, then you don't have to.
They're good. You guys probably haven't seen 2, but 2's here.
2. You haven't seen 2 for like probably
Wherever.
3 months in a video, probably.
Right here, we're gonna do the whole engine.
We're
We're doing a whole engine swap. Eddie's doing a whole engine swap. Everybody's just doing an engine swap, huh?
engine swaps for days here.
Doing another valve adjustment because highly recommended here in Fresno.
Yeah. I was like,
How many valve adjustments have we done?
This will make 11 in 3 weeks.
Damn.
Nice, nice. We got 2 nice cars all Ron John now since the last time. You guys haven't seen my piece of shit in Ohio. I finally put my wheels back on. Shout out Infinity Works. I got these little windows polished. Got the lips redone. Right now it's dirty because it was fucking raining. I finally got the Jersey bumper put on. Artwork body kit splitter. And then I ordered these little carbon fiber right here to hide this shit. That's a bunk. Then I have some OEM window visors coming in. But yeah. H2O. The Jersey bumper. H2O carbon fiber inserts for the emblems. The Artworks body kit splitter. The Jersey bumper style. Everybody's just refreshing their engines. Getting it ready for Washington next year.
Yep.
She's all there. Yeah, we're back here. I'm at the Customs with 2 C's.
Mythik Custom with 2 C's.
Make one.
Maybe if you can move the what's it called? You know when you turn in the motor right there where the pulley is, that means your motor's not locked up. Huh?
Yep.
So if you can't do it at all with the spark plugs out, that means that your engine is locked up.
It could be if it was super hard, yeah.
Alright, then yeah, it's probably my TC's locked up, man.
On this?
My sound TC.
Oh.
It's probably locked up.
Wait, does it happen or what?
Yeah, it locked up on the freeway when I think it's because of low oil.
No oil.
Which one was Eddie doing?
I already showed him what Eddie's doing. See, Eddie's got the big Brambos in the front. Is
I
that?
got the Bluetooth motor, bro.
It's the 6-speed Bluetooth motor. And let's not forget, it's a 6-speed. It's a 6-speed. It's not an automatic. This is a 6-speed.
It's actually 7.
Or if you count the reverse. See, Central Fresno trucking. Look at this is why Damien has so much money. He's low-key a trucker on the side. He's just a liar. He's like, I'm just a mechanic.
Oh, this mechanic.
Nice.
Truck mechanic.
That's how you got. That's how you got TEs. Oh yeah, look at that's cool right there. The right position for the win.
Alright, thank you, appreciate it.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, what? There's the app there. God. You think it's quiet?
All you're gonna hear is the loud ass injector start out.
And that's just gonna be oil that part we just touched. Right? Alright, turn it off. Let me put your wheel back on. What happened?
Look at CJ's here. We already did the whole intro. I'm here, Stizzy's here, Chance is here. Look at CJ's here. He brought the fucking tea out today. You know, he clapped that ass Civic like last time when you guys at the scene. Everybody brought their nice cars today. Look at Demi got a new truck. He got a new 20 what? Hey, what year is this truck, Demi?
17.
Oh, the 2017 fucking GM Denali. Is it diesel?
Yeah, it has diesel. Turbo diesel.
Nice, nice. How much you get that one for?
1738.
1738, not a bad. How much MRP did he get taxed on?
17.
Two.
Toe?
Nice. No. Steel toe?
Who said toe earlier? Oh
I
no, you said that's two. Wait, two was already.
Two, it was blame.
It's two. He was like right
Hey,
behind
look,
him.
it's two. Oh no, it's blame.
Yeah, embarrassing.
CJ's here.
I wouldn't even want to be your friend after that.
Embarrassing.
Fucking dumbass.
We're doing this for CJ's ex-girlfriend's car.
Damn, and he's paying for the fucking service.
You ain't paying for it, are you?
He said CJ said he's paying for it.
Oh yeah. He wants to steal that food girl so bad.
Poop butt.
Poopa.
She has kids that are like my nephew.
They're doing a valve adjustment. Valve cover.
Spark plugs and valve cover gaskets. Wasn't that bad, I don't think.
Honestly, that wasn't even that bad.
Here, one more. Oh, you know, that might have to be coming off on that clip.
What? Oh yeah, you're gonna dig it up.
Is it? Where's it?
No, it's right there. You can push it up right there.
It is oily though.
Female driven. I don't know fluids and shit.
How about that clip?
Well, you gotta take it off. We gotta take that shit off, then. You need to take off that clip.
That's the only thing on
Yeah.
That's it. It wasn't that bad.
Yes, that was literally what was holding it down. I'm telling you, you gotta take the clip off, and he's over here still trying to pry it off like my boy. Yeah, he cuts off. Come on, G, you gotta take the clip off. Get your fucking mitts in there. You gotta put it. Wow.
Not that bad.
What is this? A K24?
No, I don't know what the fuck. What did he say? A dream? Even a case here.
No. What is this?
Right there. Something
Oh, it's the Earth Dream, huh?
Yeah.
We got this. This is what we got.
Honestly, I think Honda fucked up on making these. They should have kept them with the fucking K-series. Earth Dream.
What the fuck is that?
At least it has VTEC.
Alright, battery's gonna die, but it's showing you guys that Eddie's engine is about ready. We have a special guest here. We got baby Mythik. Alright, so like what I was saying, Eddie accidentally took off the brake lines instead of the clutch lines, so we got to get that back on. Oh, I actually have the set right here. But we got the motor about done. We got to fix the studs. It's not perfect, but for a helicoil quick fix and for something I don't often do too much, it's came out pretty good. So that's all done. We got a new throw-out bearing. We're gonna have to put that on real quick on his transmission, and I think we're gonna be able to slap on everything today now. Maybe get lucky and put it back in the car. If not, it'll be on the tire for tomorrow. But yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm doing a lot, that's why I'm not recording so much. But look at Eddie's car, all clean, bagged out on the rollers. If you guys don't have rollers, get 4 of them from Harbor Freight. Oh, they come in handy. You can push this by yourself. So guys, we are here at the shop, back on Eddie's car. I don't know where we left off at. We saw the engine out. Yeah, everything went to the transmission shop. Unfortunately, they could not get it apart. I don't know why. So we're gonna attempt it. Never did it before. And I'll show you guys what we got to do here. We have a lot of, I don't know if I mentioned it, but we got a lot of stuff going on with this one. I'll put the clip of him, his video when I did the walk around. But yeah, he needs a lot of work done, but he's gonna be started soon. Maybe work on a little bit today, we'll see. But we're focusing on this. And yeah, so let me show you guys what I gotta do and I'll get back on. All right, we got Eddie here. I love seeing Eddie. The engine's not bolted down, we just placed it in, but look how pretty it looks. Look how pretty his center caps look now.
It's pretty. Not as pretty as her, but it's pretty.
Tomorrow, sure tidy this up. I don't know if we'll be able to start tomorrow, but we'll be pretty damn close.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, just updating you guys yet again on what we did. I've just been busy dealing with a lot of shit with behind the scenes. Been working real hard. I'm trying to get too behind, so I'm not recording too much. Anyways, so we got Eddie's car here. We have the axles in. This suspension is all bolted up. We have the transmission mounts bolted up. We still got to tighten up all of this side of the suspension. But I was dealing with a bunch of stuff for the meantime. Yeah, he got his radiator in. I think we still got to tighten up the hoses maybe. We got everything plugged in. We got to put in the oil filter sensor or something down there, which I gotta get done still. So I gotta do shifter cables, mount his box. I don't know why Chance thought it was a good idea to put his fuse box right there. That's the stupidest shit ever. So he put that there. We gotta take that off. Shifter cables we gotta put in, like I said. We gotta put the slave line back in, and then bleed the brakes, coolant, and the clutch. So after those three things, we could technically, we could start it anyway, but we could at least test drive it. But maybe we'll start it when we get closer, when we get the shifter lines in to make sure it's a neutral though. But yeah, we're getting so close. I'm gonna try to record a little bit more while we're here versus me just doing it the next day. But this is, I'm gonna be here back tonight. For you guys, it'll be the next clip. And then I'll show you guys a little bit more what we're doing, but just showing you guys an update.